You would think that launching Gemini 3.0 Pro would be enough for 1 week. The tech world was already spinning, but Google clearly wasn't finished. Just a few hours after that massive announcement, while everyone was looking left, they threw a right hook and dropped another absolute bombshell, Nano Banana Pro. But big claims need big proof. I'm not just going to sit here and tell you it's good, I'm going to show you exactly why. We're running it through 10 distinct complex use cases, from real-time data fetching to full 3D architectural rendering to see if it truly deserves the crown. Before we jump into the first test, do me a huge favor, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps me keep testing these tools so you don't have to. The first use case is all about real-time information retrieval and turning that information into an actual image. For example, here I'm asking Nano Banana Pro to create an image of a building that displays the football clubs and the final score of the 2024 to 2025 Champions League final. Now, the important part is this. I'm not telling the model who played in the final, and I'm not giving it the score. Nano Banana Pro has to find that information on its own in real time and then integrate it naturally into the image. The second use case is all about combining multiple images to create a single consistent look. Here, I uploaded a bunch of separate photos, a portrait, a t-shirt, accessories, sunglasses, a cap, and instead of describing every item manually, I simply asked Nano Banana Pro to put everything together and build one clean unified outfit. What's cool is that I'm not explaining how to dress the model or how each item should look on him. The model analyzes all these images, understands the style, and then creates a final visual that blends everything naturally. The face from one image, the clothes from another, and the accessories from the rest. The next use case is generating a full infographic from just a simple prompt. Here, I asked Nano Banana Pro to create an e-commerce order flow, and instead of me designing icons, arrows, colors, or layouts, the model instantly produced a clean, modern visual like this one. It takes the basic steps, order placed, processing, packaging, shipping, delivered, and turns them into a professional graphic with structure, colors, and hierarchy. This is perfect if you create presentations, explain processes, or just want a polished diagram without spending time on design tools. One small prompt and the entire infographic is ready. The next use case is generating completely custom UI screenshots. Here I asked Nano Banana Pro to create a realistic desktop screenshot of macOS. The prompt is very simple. I just described the dock at the bottom, an open Finder window and Safari with Netflix on the screen. Instead of manually arranging windows or recreating the interface myself, I simply give the model a short description. Nano Banana Pro recognizes the macOS style, understands where elements typically sit, and builds a screenshot that looks convincing and system-generated, even though the whole thing is created from scratch. This screenshot looks very close to a real macOS 26 interface, the Finder and Safari windows are placed naturally, and the overall UI feels clean and modern. The only small flaw is in the Netflix section. The same movie appears multiple times, which makes the carousel look a bit repetitive. But aside from that, the result is impressive, sharp, believable, and visually polished. In this example, I wanted to test how well Nano Banana Pro can rebuild a full scene using only a short prompt. I asked it to recreate the America's Got Talent judges panel with a completely new cast: Mike Tyson, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Monica Bellucci, and Danny DeVito. What makes this impressive is that I didn't upload any celebrity photos at all. I didn't describe the AGT stage, the seating, the lighting, or the background. The model finds the celebrity references on its own and knows exactly how the AGT environment is supposed to look. Another detail I love is that each judge's name and surname is written correctly on the table, which means the model not only recognizes the celebrities, but also presents them in a polished, show-accurate way. For this use case, I uploaded a bridge photo and asked Nano Banana Pro to turn it into an engineering-style visual. The model didn't just add random arrows, it actually labeled the main structural components, highlighted the spans, marked the tower height, and even drew small technical sketches around the image. What's really impressive is that Nano Banana Pro also wrote the bridge's name and the construction year at the top in the same hand-drawn style, which instantly gives the image a documentary or educational feel. The result transforms a normal landscape photo into a clear structural breakdown, something you'd expect from an architecture class or an engineering presentation. And again, All of this comes from a single short prompt. For this example, I wanted to see how Nano Banana Pro handles transforming a single realistic photo into a full storyboard layout. I uploaded one image and the model broke it down into 4 different cinematic frames: an establishing shot, a medium shot, a close-up, and a point of view angle, each one reinterpreted in a hand-drawn storyboard style. The model studies the original photo, reconstructs the scene, and then redraws it as if it were part of a film pre-production sheet. The POV shot is especially cool because it now shows the city from the astronaut's perspective without including the helmet, just the way a proper storyboard artist would do it. In this example, we take a simple architectural blueprint and turn it into fully rendered 3D visuals, the kind of presentation you would normally expect from a professional architectural studio. Nano Banana Pro only needs the blueprint image. From that one input, it automatically produces a front exterior render, a clean and realistic top-down 3D floor plan, and additional side and rear elevation renders. The 2 bottom renders look different from each other because they represent different sides of the house. One is a side elevation and the other shows the back of the home. That variation is intentional and correct since each angle naturally reveals different architectural details. Overall, the output is highly accurate. The layout, proportions, room placement, and exterior shape all match the original blueprint, making this use case perfect for architects, designers, builders, or anyone who needs instant visualizations from technical drawings. For this use case, I wanted to test something a bit different. I wanted to see whether Nano Banana Pro could generate a fully accurate ancient battle map, not just a random drawing, but a real historical reconstruction. So I gave it a very simple prompt: a map of the Battle of Issus, 333 BC. And that's it. No troop details, no strategy explanation, no geography, nothing. From there, the model did everything on its own. It researched where the battle actually took place, how the terrain looked, where Alexander's camp and Darius's camp were positioned, which rivers and mountains surrounded the battlefield, and even the correct direction of troop movements. Then it took all of that information and generated a clean, high-resolution historical map, complete with cavalry arrows, phalanx formations, coastline, mountain ranges, and accurate labels exactly where they should be. This perfectly demonstrates how Nano Banana Pro can take a complex historical event, gather the right context by itself, and visually recreate it without you needing to explain anything. For the final use case, I wanted to test something super practical, translating a poster into another language while keeping all the design elements, layout, and visuals exactly the same. So first, I generated the original poster in English, then I asked Nano Banana Pro to recreate the entire poster, but this time in Georgian, which is my native language, and what's impressive is that I didn't have to redesign anything manually. The model preserved the colors, textures, typography style, composition, and visual balance, and only replaced the text with clean, perfectly formatted Georgian. This makes it incredibly easy to localize product ads, social media graphics, or marketing materials into any language without rebuilding the design from scratch. And that wraps up our entire test. Nano Banana Pro is honestly on another level right now, from real-time information, historical maps, anime to realism transformations, blueprints turned into 3D renders, multilingual poster localization, and so much more. It handled every single task flawlessly. At this moment, it really feels like the #1 image generator and editor out there. Fast, accurate, flexible, and surprisingly smart in understanding context without over-explaining anything. You give it a short prompt, and it delivers exactly what you imagined, sometimes even better. All the links and the full list of prompts will be waiting for you in the video description below, so make sure to check them out. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment. It helps the channel a lot and keeps me motivated to bring more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.